In this video, we'll be showing you how to create categories for products in a product group. First, log in as administrator. From the main navigation, select Admin and then Product Groups. Then select Categories from the Manage menu for the relevant product group. Click on Add Category from the Manage menu and then enter a category name such as shirts and add a description and image if you would like. If no image is selected, then your logo will be used instead. Then select the products you want defined in the category by checking the checkbox next to the product name and click the Add Category button. We'll repeat this process for 2 further categories. On the uniforms and merchandise listings, your categories and numbers in each group will be shown instead of the complete product listings. Your customers will then be able to click them and drill down into your product detail, which will then only show the products in that category. And that's it, you now know how to create categories for your products. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.